how you can log into your Citizens Bank. So before we begin, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more informative videos like this. So let's begin. First of all, open any web browser you have and then go to the search bar and search for Citizens Bank. And once you search for this, you can see their Citizens Bank is a financial group. It's an American bank. So once you click on it, you can directly click on this link right here to open their homepage, or you can go to the first link that shows up. And once you're logged into your Citizens Bank page, what you can do is find this login button at the top right, and you can choose your type of business or your account type, and then just simply click on login once again. This will take you to another portal. This will take you to their login portal. So here you can enter your Citizens Bank ID or your phone number, and then enter your password. And once you do so, if you want the website to remember your login info, click on this checkbox right here. And if you have any trouble logging in or you want to change your password, you can click on this link. This will redirect you to another portal where you can reset your password. And it's as easy as that. I hope you found the video helpful, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.